Foreword. Bivalves are key to the development, functioning, and sustainability of coastal environments. Mollusks have long been revered for the beauty of their shells, culinary attributes, and as the basis for many successful aquaculture ventures. Long overdue, however, is wider recognition and understanding of their extraordinary abilities to shape, control, and improve their environments. As highly efficient filter feeders, bivalves facilitate benthic pelagic coupling, influence sediment processes, provide structure, and contribute to habitat diversity and biodiversity. While the term ecosystem services is relatively new, the role of mollusks in performing those services has been recognized for centuries. Only in recent decades, however, have these attributes been studied, quantified, modeled, and put forth as integral to ecosystem development, maintenance, and sustainability. In recent years, there have been two areas of major advancement in understanding how these bivalves make a living, function at the molecular level, and the part played by bivalves in the ecology of coastal seas. The development of advanced models to capture the complex integrative nature of the functions of bivalves has provided both theorists and practitioners with the means to understand these interactions. To wit, much of the advancement in these arenas has been through the contributions of the editors of this volume. To summarize and explain complex systems and concepts associated with bivalves, it seems only fitting that the information is presented here by an equally integrated and diverse group of experts. Just as aggregations of individual bivalves increase their collective ability to influence their surroundings, so the current book brings together a stellar group of editors and authors of varied backgrounds who place bivalves in a well-deserved and prominent position as ecosystem engineers and providers of ecosystem services. Integration of the individual efforts of these scientists, their collaborators, and contributors to this volume has moved the importance of mussels, oysters, and other bivalves to new levels of understanding and acceptance. As the field moves forward, their efforts will serve as a template for new investigators, as a valuable resource for managers, and as a launchpad for as yet undefined and integrated studies. It is a dynamic future ahead. Sandra E. Shumway, Groton, CT, USA. Foreword. In 2050, when the world population will have grown to almost 10 billion people, the increase in income and the demand for more and better food will mean that food production needs to increase by 50% compared to its present. In many areas, but not everywhere, the available land for food production is decreasing due to competition with urbanization and other uses, nutrient depletion, soil degradation, water scarcity, and climate change. Given the fact that the largest part of the world's population lives in coastal areas, there is great potential for marine ecosystems to contribute to the production of food. The Blue Growth Agenda provides a strategy to explore these resources to contribute to the production of high-quality and attractive food products, as well as the production of feed, bioactive compounds, energy, and other valuable products. Marine bivalves like oysters, clams, and mussels have been cultivated for ages and are recognized as a sustainable low-food chain resource that acquires feed from natural resource in their environment. They provide a rich source for human nutrition and an associated economic value for local communities. Total bivalve aquaculture and fisheries production amounted 16 million tons in 2015, with a landing value of $26 million. Besides human nutrition, they provide food for birds and benthos and a habitat for a large number of species. They regulate water quality and sequester carbon and nitrogen. As eco-engineers, epibenthic bivalve beds are used for coastal defense and nature conservation. They also produce significant amounts of shell material that has many applications. These functions can be defined as ecological goods and services. This concept provides a framework for description and analysis of the role of bivalves in the ecosystem and a basis for addressing a wide range of topics, benefits, and controversies related to the use of bivalves for production, habitat restoration, water quality, and coastal management. The book presents comprehensive reviews and analyses of the goods and services of bivalve shellfish. How they are defined, what determines the ecological functions that are the basis for the goods and services, what controversies in the use of goods and services exist, and what is needed for sustainable exploitation of bivalves from the perspective of the various stakeholders. The reviews and analysis are based on case studies that exemplify the concept and show the strengths and weaknesses of the current applications. The multi-authored reviews cover ecological, economic, and social aspects of bivalve goods and services. The transdisciplinary approaches as applied in this book represent a major strength in modern science. This approach is the core of the programs of Wageningen University and research, where various disciplines are integrated in order to achieve solutions. The international cooperation as exemplified in this book contributes to exploring the potential of the marine bivalves to improve quality of life. Louise O. Fresco, CEO of Wageningen University and Research, Wageningen, the Netherlands.